We are here in Collegetown Center at the east end of the hallway. We're going to take a look inside the corner unit number 525. Let's go on in. I really like the layout of this apartment. As you can see, this one is different from our other units here in the building. The kitchen is straight ahead of us instead of on the left or right side as we enter. So this is different. This is only in the corner studio apartments. You can see the furnishings are the same in the kitchen. We have that refrigerator, the sink and dishwasher, the microwave, the stove and oven. We have the cabinets above and below, and also a pair of drawers. I want you to see this small space right here as we enter. This is a great space right in the entrance. I think this works out well for a small shoe rack or other bookshelf, for some additional storage if you wanted to bring your own storage items here into the apartment. This corner apartment has a great feature in that it has more windows. This is our brightest unit here anywhere in the building. This number 25 style, 25 and 26, the corner units. Let's go take a look at the bathroom as we're going by. This is the same bathroom that we've seen in the other locations. You have that small cabinet on the wall on the left that opens for storage for smaller items, the towel racks, the toilet, the large mirror, the sink and vanity, and the tub shower with the sliding door. So let's take a look out the windows. This unit has 3 windows. We're facing to the east. We can see College Ave and Dryden Road, that main intersection of our Collegetown neighborhood. From that intersection, we are located just 1 block to campus. So you can see that Collegetown Center is in a great location. The apartment has 3 windows when you are on floors 4, 5, and 6. Floor 3 does not have this window. Floor 2 does not have the second window, but we'll go through, we'll talk about those again as we get into the unit a little farther. Let's see over here. Here's the closet. So you can see it's the regular closet space, so good extra storage. And the furnishings in the apartment will be the tall bookshelf, the desk and chair, the dresser, and a dining table and chair, as well as the full-size bed. I love the amount of floor space in this unit. So it's bright, it has great floor space, and it is fantastic that the kitchen is completely separated from your living space. So take a look around in here. You can see the heater is over here. Let's see that second window. Again, the second window you will have on floors 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this third window over here, this primary largest window, this will be on every floor. Floor 2 just has this window, but not the other 2 windows. You can see the air conditioner over here. All the windows have privacy mini blinds. This is the Dryden Road side of the building. We have fantastic people watching up here from these windows. Let's go over here again and see that intersection, College Ave and Dryden Road. So great people watching, great morning sun. This is a nice bright apartment. If you would like a brighter apartment, this is a fantastic choice. And I really like over here the amount of space next to the bed. This is a great floor plan layout. So again, the corner studio, this floor plan is available on floors 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for this number 25 unit. Floor 2 will have this window only. Floor 3 will have this window as well. Floors 4, 5, and 6 we'll get this third window over by the kitchen. So that is a look at Collegetown Center. We're in apartment 425. We are in a corner layout of this building at 151 Dryden Road, located just 1 block to campus.